So my favorite thing about this vacuum cleaner is the color. I know a lot of people don't care about color, but I like the color. The other thing that I like about the vacuum cleaner is that there is a no-touch bag system. I have very, very bad allergies, so I don't want to touch anything that is dusty. I have used 3 bags so far, and the no-touch technology has worked perfectly. I also like the hose. The hose has so much suction, and I'm able to vacuum in the cracks and crevices of my couch, of my chairs, and I'm able to get really good in the corners. So this vacuum cleaner is definitely worth every cent, especially if you're a person like me who has very sensitive skin or has allergies. This is a good vacuum cleaner because it has a bag. The last vacuum I had was a bagless vacuum, and that did not do well for me. Hope this review helps. 5 stars.